Hello everyone. So in this video, we are going to see how to pass data from JavaScript to PHP. So before looking into that, so let us see how do we pass data from simple forms. Okay, if we are using a form and we are using a method as get. So how do that look like? Because we will get lots of information from there ki how to communicate between the two pages. So let us write a form and see in the URL what things happens. Okay, so I'm writing a simple form. I will be having only one input field and just a button for demonstration purposes. Okay, so HTML boilerplate code. So I'm removing lots of things from here. And in the body, I'm using a form action. So where we want to communicate. So demo.php and with which method. So let's say get method. So I'm writing input field now. So input and text. Okay. So name. So let me give name because and here name will become ID. Okay. Key. When the data will pass, so we need to fetch the data. Okay. Extract the data. So this name will become key over there. So let me give a name only. So this will become key. So let not confuse. Let me capitalize it. Okay. And one button. So let's say input submit, and let me give a value send. Okay. So our form is complete, and let us go quickly and see how the things are showing in the URL. Okay. So this is the input field it is looking like. So we are sending data here. Let us send data. It will do. Okay. So you can see the URL demo because we are redirecting to the demo and this question mark and name equal to his name. We have talked about this key. The name which you will give will become key here. So let me refresh once again and send again the data. Okay. So let us give so redirecting to demo question mark name equal to value. Here it is name means your key and equal to value. So in this format, in which file you want to redirect and question mark key equal to value. If some other fields are there, then and key value like that. So we want to follow this pattern in the JavaScript. Okay, so we are sending data to demo. So let us collect data on the demo page and let me show you how it will look. So let us collect data over here and print. So which method we are using? We are using get method. So okay, so let us see. We have collected data and index. So let us write Akash this time. Send. Yes. So it is. So we are on the demo.php page. Previously it was blank, so it was showing nothing. But now we have using the function. So it is in the key value format. Here name is the key and Akash is the value. Okay. And why name is the key? Because we have given here. This is so this becomes key. So now we have idea. What idea? We need to follow this pattern of the URL. So let me copy that. So now finally let us do this from JavaScript. So you can write function anything for that, but I'm writing plain. And so let me comment it out and write it here. We want to follow this pattern. Okay. So we will send this format into a string. So let me create a variable for that and let me give a source and demo double quotes demo dot php and question mark and here let's say id equal to and let's say 5. Okay, and how do we send data from here? So there is a function, there's a window dot location dot href and what is the reference here? Source. Okay, so let us see our data is passed in the uh, demo or not. So yes, we have given the id equal to 5. So here the id is equal to 5. You can see that. So like this, we can pass the data. So here we have hard coded everything, but it's on you. Let's say you want to take everything and by the concatenation you can do that. Let's say name equal to, and here you can for name you can take name from anywhere. Let's say isne and source plus equal to concatenate what in the source we want to concatenate a name. Okay, so like this we can do things. Index, so here name equal to isne. Okay, so I think you got the idea. So what if we want to send an array? Simple, same thing we need to follow, create an array. Let's say we want to send the list of fruits. So fruits, the square brackets, and let us give me some name of fruits: apple, banana, orange. Okay, so var source, and same thing, demo dot php question mark, and let's say let us give id fruit, and equal to, and plus, let's say this fruits. Okay, and let us pass. So okay, yes, let us pass. Let us pass if there is passing correctly or not. Yes, it is for passing, but only fruit key is having all the values. Okay, apple, banana, and everything. So let us go to the page, and what key we have given? So we have given fruit. Fruits or fruit? Let me fruit only. So control S, and let us refresh it again, and index.php, undefined index in line to fruits I've given. So index. Yes, so data is coming, but there is one problem. So let me show you the problem it is. So our data is coming into the string format because we have passed the data here in the string format from our file. So here it is also will come into the string format. So let me show you the type. So it is a string. So the how do we convert a string type to array? So there is a function actually for that. So function name is explode, and delimiter. So we want to remove the comma between the data. So comma, and passing the name of the what you want to convert. So let us this gate and uh, fruit. So let us collect everything. It will give you an array. So let us collect this in ARR. So in ARR we are having actual array. So let us try to print that. Okay, ARR. We already know that array is having key and value pairs. Sorry, key and index. So here zero index we have apple, on first index we have banana, on second index we have oranges. Okay, so like this we send data from JavaScript to PHP. There are very various methods. Some are advanced, some are simple. So this is a quite simple method and good for programs. I hope you have understood everything. Thanks for watching.